Hi, I'm Jackie Burns. Welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. This collaboration is with Arrows, that's Favi, me, Mary Beth of MBGray Designs, and our fabulous Indie Annie Jones. Well, I've had this frame for, I don't know, maybe 5-6 years. I got it at a place that we thrift a lot. It's called Deseret Industries in Utah. It's run by the Mormon Church, and the prices there are fabulous because I got that frame for $2. Just didn't know what I was going to use it for. Well, today I am using it for a Victorian Fall design, or kind of a feel of Victorian Fall. So it had some kind of little sayings inside, and I'm pulling the back off. If I can get those little tabs to flip. And so it was much easier to pull the back off than trying to do it the way I started out to. So anyway, I'm fitting the paper on there. And I'm looking for a pencil. Okay, there I got one. And it didn't work. And this is only one project I did for this because I've been super busy packing. I sold my house and I found another house and they accepted my offer. So, in the next month, I'll be pretty crazy. But hopefully, since I'm paying cash, that I can get into the new house pretty quick. I don't need to be approved for anything. So anyway, I found this gorgeous paper. It came in a pack that I got at, I think it was Hobby Lobby last year. But it's got all kinds of beautiful colors in it. And while we're having a lull here, I want to thank each and every one of you for being my wonderful subscribers. And if you are new, welcome. So happy to see any new faces in the crowd. Well, I love vintage things. And I have a bedroom in my house that's painted in kind of a light pink. And I decorated it with some really pretty purses. And I found these leather kid gloves online quite a long time ago. So I've decided, I think I'll put them the other way so you can see the fingers. And I'm leaving the ribbon on there. As you can see, it's got the burgundy in it. And I decided I didn't have to paint the frame. It was in perfect condition. All I had to do was get a wet cloth and clean it up. So anyway, I'm just taking a teeny dab, because I like this vintage box. And I'm laying it down, and I got this little purse from a friend of mine who was selling all her beautiful vintage antique purses. I think that's been about 8 years now. So I am going to try to put that back in place. There we go. These little tools are so handy for all kinds of things, not just picking out vinyl. There's my $2 sticker I'm removing. Oh, and just think of all this great stuff I get to move. Well, this will go in my new guest bedroom. So you see I had left kind of a blank at the bottom where it didn't fit quite exactly right. And I didn't want to use a lot of glue on any of these things, so they're getting just little teeny tiny dots. Isn't that little purse gorgeous? Now, I found these leaves at Dollar Tree, of course. And they're, I don't know, they're more a white color, but with just a teeny bit of pink in them. Doesn't look like it that much on the screen, but it is. So anyway, I started putting leaves in there. As you can see how much it matches. The burgundy background of the paper, and the burgundy frame, and the burgundy purse. And do you think I like burgundy? Yes, I do. It's one of my favorite colors. Now I have these kind of purplish pink leaves. Just tucking them in. So we have that kind of Victorian look with the elegant gloves and purse and the sweetness of the paper and the leaves. So I decided we'll tuck a few up here. And it's funny with all the tools we have and the finger things, it's funny. I use them, and I've seen so many other crafters use them. We always grab our scissors to hold down those things with the hot glue so we don't get burned. Now I found these really pretty burgundy colored mums. Mum's the word. And I want to throw just a little green with some yellow accents in there. And I think it's all tying together very nicely. Another one of those greenish leaves with just a little color in it. Nope, one more of these leaves. Yep, little tuck underneath here. And I didn't want to put a bow on it. I thought that might be too much. And there it is. What do you think? I think it looks wonderful. I think it'll look very pretty in that new bedroom I'm going to be decorating. Another little leaf down there, and see, by the time I put all the leaves and everything down, you can't see that blank spot at the bottom. Well, tell me what you think. Thank you for coming to visit. I appreciate every time you do. And please, watch everybody in the playlist. It's not a very big playlist. Thanks for coming again. Bye.